So recently my friend Tingyi and I did an Instagram live together where we cooked Lor Mai Gai, and it was quite surprising for me that she actually agreed to do this with me, given that she always says that she has no confidence in the kitchen. Making lohmaigai is not as difficult as it seems, it just needs a bit of time. 6 hours before cooking the lohmaigai, you need to soak some shiitake mushrooms. Marinate the chicken with some Shaoxing wine, cornstarch, salt, caramel, and white pepper. Soak some glutinous rice in water, wait for 6 hours, and you're ready to go. Combine the shiitake mushrooms with their liquid, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, and light soy sauce in a pot. Now add the chicken that you marinated to the pot. Add some water to cover the chicken and the mushrooms. And then you want to make a cornstarch slurry so that you can form a gravy. The gravy should be thick and it should taste really umami rich, kind of like abalone sauce from a can. So you just want to pour this out into a bowl and let it cool down.
Can lah, huh?
Yeah,
can already lah.
Way better. Okay, it looks way better now.
Looks legit.
Now for the glutinous rice, you want to fry your onions until it's really well browned.
It's so hard to do this with one.
No, the oil splatter.
Add your garlic and stir fry for just a few more minutes. Now add the glutinous rice and mix in some dark soy sauce or some caramel. Now add some water to the wok along with some light soy sauce and some 5-spice powder.
Stir it through until everything is at
Whoa!
You want to add the water in batches just so that you don't add too much. If not, your rice will become really mushy.
You tasted your rice already? Do you need like more salt or like more soy sauce, more 5-spice?
I know it's okay. Worried, but I think can do.
Don't
Okay.
be worried. I think this is the part you're gonna excel at as a designer. Trust me. Okay.
Sure.
So
Okay, let's go.
So you want to place your ingredients down on the bottom of the bowl, the presentation side down. So that means if you're using eggs, point the yolks downwards.
Your egg yolk, right? It's not really touching the bottom of the bowl, is it?
Oh, okay, like that?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
good.
got it. Oh,
How's it?
it looks good.
Hey, show me.
It looks good. Okay. See. Dun, guys.
Nice.
I feel legit now.